Welcome to day 2 of Python from scratch. In the last video, you wrote your first Python program. But what if you want Python to remember values? That's where variables and data types comes in. Chalo, let's start the video. Let's first understand what is a variable. A variable is used to store data in a program. You can think of a variable as a container that holds a value. For example, if I want to store my age, I won't write the number again and again. I just store it in a variable and call it multiple times. Now let's start working. I have already created a folder and named it as day2. I will create a file and call it variable.py. Now, suppose I want to print my age, but not directly. I have to use variable. I'll write it as let me run this. Now the data stored in variable age will be displayed here. Let me explain this. Here, age is a variable which is like a container that stores the value 20 in it. And the equal to sign is used to assign the value 20 to variable age. And the line print age displays the value stored in age. Now let's see another example. City equal to Mumbai. Make sure you put Mumbai inside quotes. I hope you remember from the last video that strings are always written inside quotes. And let's print it. Here, it's displayed perfectly. From the print statement, the value inside variable city is displayed. If a text is written inside print statement without quotes, it is considered as variable. Now, let's move on. Why variables are important? Without variables, your code becomes very messy. Variables make your code clean, reusable, and very easy to understand. Let's now move on to data types. What are data types? The most important data types are integer, float, string, and boolean. Integer stores whole numbers, float stores decimal numbers, string stores text, whereas boolean stores true or false value. Now let's see examples of each. X equal to 10, y equal to 3.14, name equal Joe is active. Make sure the first letter of true is capital. Now Python automatically understands the data type unlike other languages where we specify the data type while declaring the variable. Now let's learn about a new function type. We can check the data type of a variable using the type function. Now let's write print type x. Now we know that x is a integer data type. Now let's check whether Python can identify it or not. Let me run this. It will show class int. That means it identifies the variable x as int. Now let's check for another variable. Print type name. String, class string. Since the variable name is a string. Variables helps us store data and data types helps Python understand that data. In the next video, we'll learn about taking inputs from the users and type conversion. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss day 3. See you in the next video.